Good evening, everyone. During my live section, that was the day before yesterday, there was a man that called from the southwest, Ibadan to be precise. So he called his name Konlade, something like that. Then he said something that I wish everybody could listen to him. Whether what he says is completely true or not, it's important you listen to it. He said that before Tinubu assumed office as president of Nigeria, that he signed an agreement with some persons not to release Nnamdi Kanu. Listen to this and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Thank you.
It's one of my thoughts about it.
All right, I want to ask you a question. All right, I appreciate you joining us. This particular topic we are discussing about the detention of Nnamdi Kanu, I said it has been long. Getting to 10 years, he has been arrested, released, arrested, released, arrested, released. And you know how powerful a federal government can be. If they want to judge somebody and send somebody to prison, it's not supposed to take time. They're supposed to do it and pass judgment. But this thing has been taking time, and people are beginning to complain and say, let them pass judgment so that this man will know where he is. Why are they prolonging everything now? The court judgment is coming on the 24th, 23rd and 24th of this month. What is your take if justice is not dispensed?
Okay, that's a very nice question. Let me tell you. Nigeria is three. Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa. There's nothing like Fulani. Tinubu, I will be saying it to the Yoruba who can listen, who's ready to listen. Tinubu have sued Yoruba and Igbo right to Fulani. That's why they gave him that position. It's one of the agreements he signed. Don't release Kanu. Don't open southwest border. Fulani will do whatever they like in Nigeria. You must not tamper with anybody. That's some of the agreement they signed. Agreement, don't believe that Buhari is not Buhari. That Kanu after Nigeria, that man is dead and buried in Saudi Arabia. That Buhari is not Buhari. There's a program.
You believe that?
I believe it so. One day I hear a program when US president was saying Nigeria is the only country that vulnerable for 8 years. That is Nigeria. For you. The vice president know about this. Tinubu know about this. That's their agreement. During the campaign, Tinubu always frustrated that they know if they don't give him that position in the first South. It's not really Buhari. See Babangida, see Abu Salam. Abu Salam is one of the people that destroy and all these are called, it's a fake something. Nigeria don't know. It's a fake. What happened during the 2003 election? All those wahala that happened in Lagos. Are you telling me they don't know them? They know them.
Of course they know them. There is no doubt about that. They know them.
Your bad leaders are so stupid. And some
you don't have to call them stupid now.
They are stupid. People don't respect them. They don't respect the elderly. Everybody was equal. There's not, they call people by their name. That is Western world. I'm not in Nigeria anymore. They can't do me nothing. If I'm in Nigeria, they could have carried me. Let me tell you.
Okay.
I'm not going to bring any
do you think that people will go to the streets if Kanu is not released on 24th?
I pray. I always tell people here. It's either do or die. That's the only way you can clear out those leaders away. Forget about Tinubu. Everybody that cross your way. Baba Adedubu said one thing one day. He said, I'm not Baba Adedubu. You people are Baba Adedubu. One of my two juniors from secondary school are in the gate of Baba Adedubu, Yellow and Dewumi. They are bouncers. They are healthy boys. And some people. He said, if these boys are not in my gates, I'm an old man. Tinubu is an old man. If you push through, he's going to get down. Where all those women go, but so all those talk. Do you see them talking anymore? Everybody was suffering. Everybody will buy the same thing on markets.
All right.
They intentionally detain Kanu. Let me tell you, they know what they are doing. It's one of the agreements of Tinubu, the Fulani. It's one of the agreements. Yoruba are so stupid that you see bandits, you see criminals from here to here. You are now.
Why are you causing your own people that they are stupid? Is it because of anger?
They are all one Nigeria. Cause whatever will destroy country. Where is the future of the youth? Where is that future? some stupid Yoruba will be saying Igbo is the one that is disturbing them. Igbo is the teacher. Is Igbo killing people in Lagos?
No.
They are doing their own business. Let me tell you, there is a state close to a state where I am. This state is is bigger than Nigeria. Let me say it's bigger than Nigeria. People will come from other states, from Louisiana, from Oklahoma, they come and work here in this state, and nobody send them away. Nobody tell them you are Igbo, you are this. Can you see a very small country like Rwanda? You cannot compare Nigeria with Rwanda anymore. Can you compare Nigeria with Rwanda? The answer is no. President of Rwanda always look at Tinubu like it. That is why Ibrahim or something of Angola, what's the name of this country?
Of Burkina Faso.
Burkina Faso see the way he look Tinubu like a dog. You said they disgrace Tinubu in South Africa. They will disgrace him. Since like a small boy. You need young people to move your country forward, not like Tinubu, but Yoruba stupid people, Yoruba guys. They don't think about the future.
Let me ask you another question. I know you are from Oyo State.
I'm from Oyo State. Everybody know me. Who hear my voice will know.
Yeah, I know you are from Oyo State. And the question I want to ask is that before the late governor of Ondo State, he did a writing by setting up Amotekun, who have defended Yoruba territory to some certain levels. Yes. I don't know about people's opinion, but that Amotekun, I'm in support of it. You know why? From my personal experience, I've seen that security agencies, just like what T.Y. Danjuma is saying, the military, the police, they don't have full capacity to fight terrorists, bandits in the bush. They only operate in the town and, intimidate, innocent citizens. How far have you people been able to counter this insecurity in your state and entire Yoruba land?
Let me tell you, politicians, pastors, affairs, security people, and government people in government. Those are the 5 people that is operating in Nigeria. They are working in hand to hand.
So they are the principalities.
They know what's going on. Everybody knows they have the agenda, but the mistake they are making is that agenda will consume them too. Because people are coming from other. This Obi said something during the campaign. He said every country needs to have statistics.
And data.
Let me tell you, Tinubu is there is a one man in Osun State. He said everything about Tinubu is a fake. Father, education, life. It's a fake. Let me tell you. You want to check my record? And I tell you, don't go here, don't go there, don't go there. I'm not going to tell you not to go there. My secondary school, my institution is there. They find it here. That's why they give me a job and go and work with government. I don't care about them. I don't have my citizen with them anymore. I have 2 girls that are no more in Nigeria. When I see Nigeria is getting worse, go and do visa for people. I have to do visa for my daughters. Go and live your life somewhere. I can't destroy their life. Let me go my way. You go. You come through me to this life. I have to take care of you. I take care of them. Let me tell you, my brother. That's what my father told me before he died. Before he died, he do the burial down. He tell his friend, I have a new car. He doesn't buy a new car. He did the burial ground. He bring them there. He said, this is my new car. Everybody was crying. He said, don't cry. Everybody is going to die. Tinubu is going to die. My brother. It's not strong. When they are talking about politics, Tinubu is not there. I can tell any people categorically. I always tell them, you if like is alive, Tinubu will have lost nowhere.
It's all right, sir. I want you in some minutes, if possible, just 1 minute, to summarize your message to people in Nigeria and to the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu as they embrace the court case.
I will tell Nigeria whether Igbo, I will tell them the truth. 100 years, people cannot do it time because he study accounting. He said he study accounting. Do you know the meaning of accounting? Minus and plus. It doesn't do managerial economy. It doesn't do management of everything. You are making 1 naira, you are spending 20 naira. How do you want to survive? People was telling you, really, in economy, they say, bad trade, they trade. That's how they. Where I work, we monitor people that are coming to US, people that get out of the US. Tell me, that is statistic. Everything has to have statistic data. We are working with data. If a police stop you, Just ask for your date of birth. It will tell you all your address, everything. The crime you have committed for the past 10 years will tell you straight off. That is how to build the country.
All right.
It's an accounting. Accounting just do minus and plus. Keeping the bookkeeper. You are not economists. You cannot run a country.
It's all right.
You have no agenda.
It's all right, sir. Thank you so much for your contribution. Let's have another corner. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, I'm okay. Can't see you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, sir.